Here she comes. Maybe. Aunt Robin. That's not Happy.
That's not Happy. Buffering.
Where is Happy?
Where's Happy?
Here it is. Can you guys do anything except for go in a circle? Here, shake your booty. Woohoo!
Kick your feet. Kick your feet, Michael.
Whoa!
Wow!
Booty shaking.
That's some good moves, Abby. Wow! Woohoo!
Here, you want me to help you with your beads?
Whoa! Okay, shake your booty now, Abby, so you don't get dizzy. Yeah.
Wow! That's fancy. He's like twisting.
Yeah. This is some good dancing.
Wow!
Woohoo!
'Cause I'm happy.
Wow! This is some awesome dancing. Ready? Can you clap? Clap, Abby.
Okay, guys, high five each other.
Ready? High five.
High five.
Do it again.
We have to high five.
High five, Abby. Time to dance.
'Cause I'm happy.
Happy.
Happy. 'Cause I'm happy.
Oh my gracious. Woo! High five again.
Okay, hold hands and dance now.
Okay, yeah, you guys hold hands and dance. Hold hands, Abby. Come hold hands with Michael.
And she doesn't want to.
Okay, clap again. It's time to clap. Now high five. Psh, good job.
I can see why she's one high five. He's like a,
Yeah.
he's like a guard. He's very strong.
Whoa, go Michael.
He's like a center fielder. Yeah. And here's little Abby.
That's some good dancing, Michael.
You could have said this to America for a thunderstorm.
High five.
High five. Good job. Let me see you twist some more. Now do your thing like this, Michael.
Hey, Abby, look at us. Abby, show us your ballet. Yeah, she's doing ballet.
Yay! Good job. Say bye-bye.
You want to listen to Frozen?